Windows are the weakest part of your building. Not walls, not roof, windows. Because compared to walls, they allow significantly more heat to pass through. In fact, windows can transfer 5 to 10 times more heat than insulated walls. And that one fact can completely change how your building performs. Hello and welcome to Build It Sustainable. Today, we're going to break down windows, not as glass panels, but as energy systems. Because if you understand this, you won't design windows the same way again. Part 1. Why windows are the weakest link. Let's start with the science. Heat transfer through glass. Glass is a poor insulator. It allows direct solar radiation, conductive heat transfer, radiative heat exchange. Unlike walls, which slow down heat, windows let it pass quickly. And in hot climates like India, this becomes critical. Buildings already consume over 30% of energy for cooling and lighting. And a large part of that load comes from windows. Solar heat gain, this is massive. When sunlight hits glass, heat directly enters your room. In fact, just 1 square meter of sunlit glass can add as much heat as multiple people sitting inside. This is why rooms with large windows feel hotter even if AC is running. Air leakage, hidden problem. Most windows are not airtight. Small gaps in frames allow hot air to enter, cool air to escape. So even if you have insulation in walls, your windows can cancel it. Orientation mistake. This is where design fails. West-facing windows receive the harshest heat and are hardest to shade. But most homes place windows without considering direction. And that decision increases cooling load permanently. Part 2. Why windows are also the most powerful. Now here's the interesting part. The same element that causes problems can also solve them. Ventilation engine. Windows can create airflow. Cross ventilation, where air enters from one side and exits from another, can reduce indoor temperature significantly. This is passive cooling. No electricity. Daylighting system. Windows reduce need for artificial lighting. But more importantly, they affect how light spreads. Diffuse light equals comfort. Direct glare equals discomfort. So window design affects visual comfort too. Thermal control device. With the right design, windows can reduce heat gain, control heat loss, stabilize indoor temperature. This is where most people don't go deep enough. Part 3. What actually controls window performance? This is where the real learning begins. Factor 1. Glass type. Most people focus only here. Single glazing, high heat transfer. Double glazing, reduced heat transfer. Low E glass reflects heat while allowing light. Studies show double glazing significantly reduces heat gain compared to single glass in Indian climates. But glass alone is not enough. Factor 2. Shading. Most underrated. External shading is more powerful than glass upgrades. Research shows adding proper overhang shading can significantly reduce heat gain across climates. Because it blocks sunlight before it even reaches the glass. This is critical. Factor 3. Window size. WWR, window to wall ratio. Bigger is not better. Too large, more heat gain, more cooling load. Too small, poor daylight, poor ventilation. So windows must be optimized, not maximized. Factor 4. Frame jod installation. Even high performance glass fails if frames leak. Poor sealing equals energy loss. Bad installation equals performance failure. So system thinking is essential. Part 4. Real systems you can use. Now let's make this practical. System 1. Basic improved window, clear glass jod, proper shading. Low cost, high impact. System 2. Double glazed jod, shading, better insulation. Reduced heat gain. Best for most urban homes. System 3. Low E glass jod, orientation design, reflects heat. Improves daylight. Used in high performance buildings. System 4. Passive ventilation, windows. Aligned openings. Stack effect. Cross ventilation. Reduces AC dependency. System 5. Advanced dynamic windows. Future, new technologies can reflect infrared heat. Allow visible light. Some systems show up to till 19% energy savings in buildings. This is where construction is heading. Part 5. What you should do. Actionable. Don't ask, which window is best? Ask, where should my windows be? How much heat should they allow? How will they ventilate space? How will they be shaded? Because window performance is not a product decision. It's a design decision. Final thought. Most people upgrade tiles. Some upgrade walls. Very few upgrade windows. But windows control heat, light, air, energy. They are the weakest link. But if designed correctly, they become the most powerful part of your building. If you found this useful, subscribe to Build It Sustainable for practical insights that actually help you build better. Let's build smarter and build sustainable. Thank you for watching.